everyone, welcome back to How Logical. I'll be showing you how to change your mobile number on Bigo Live. If you are watching us for the first time, subscribe to our channel by hitting the subscribe button. Press the bell icon so that YouTube will notify you whenever we post a new video. Start by going to your app list and tap open Bigo Live application. Make sure you're signed in, and as soon as you reach to the home screen, tap on the profile icon located at the bottom right. Scroll all the way down and tap on Settings. Under Settings, tap on Account Management, and at the very first you'll be able to view your mobile number that is connected to Bigo Live. Simply tap on Phone and you have two options: change phone number or change password. Tap on Change Phone Number. Before changing your phone number, you'll need to enter a verification code for verification purpose. Simply tap on Send and wait for the code to arrive. After it arrives, it will be verified automatically. Now, change your phone number on the next page. If you want to change the country as well, select on country or region and select your state. After you're done, correct your phone number to which you want to change to. After you enter your mobile number, tap on Send button. As soon as you do that, you'll receive another verification code to the new number you just entered. After that, tap on Done. And with this, you'll be able to change your phone number on Bigo Live. I hope you found the video useful. If you did, go ahead and give it a thumbs up. Feel free to comment down below in the comment box if you have a question or a feedback. I'll be back soon with more tutorial episodes. Thank you for watching.